Hi, please subscribe to Top Advice Online YouTube channel and like the video.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on your TikTok. So basically, we can search for that text-to-speech, and basically to make a Siri voice video, you're gonna need to basically just record a video. So I'm gonna record a video, click on plus, and let's record my screen. For example, like this one. But you have to record quite a long video that your words would fit. So after that, you're gonna click done, and you're gonna click on text. You're gonna write down a text you want that the voice chat would talk about. So let's write down something like, "Hi, subscribe to something like that," whatever. After that, you can edit the text whatever you want. But to make a text-to-speech, you're gonna hold on to your text, and here we can see an option text-to-speech. Basically, you're just gonna click on that, and that's it. And basically, it doesn't the audio doesn't work when I'm using this when I'm connected to my MacBook, so sorry for that. But basically, after that, you can share it with your friends. Well, basically, guys, that's it. That's how you can make a text-to-speech audio on TikTok. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel.